You do.
What is this?
Honey. Honey. How okay? How you? How you? Send. How you? Yeah.
What a good time. So everybody's new birthday stuff.
Oh.
Hello. I'm being named Mawan.
Okay, so let's go to mystery store. I can buy. Ooh,
I think my little brother is seeing.
basic pet has ears. I really want to get those, but I don't have no. I'm gonna try to get this. No, Clover? I can't get this.
He's got a new bird in Brooklyn, but he does not want to show it.
Good. So here.
He wants to check.
Okay. Clovers, grapes. I got some things.
I got $2.
Things and stuff. I could sell them too. Guitar and sell some of my guitar.
Well,
Sell some of my things. Sell some of my tomatoes. Sell my eggs and stuff. Still got money though. And
wanna go home?
yeah.
Feed him.
Okay. I must be hungry. Oops, if nothing else we can trade for pets, we go back to the swamp to prepare some kitchen dishes. Okay. I think here. Oh, okay. Now that I got so many of those, I could get pet food. Okay. I have some more. More than this already. That's good. Let's make some other dish. Let's make some other dishes. Okay. Apple milkshake? I don't have it. Let's go. No. Grape milkshake? I can't do this. Achievement unlocked. Oh, that's a good one. Okay. We'll do this. Oh, the trees. Coffee biscuit. Okay. Now that I have so many things that I could have pet food for. Whoa.
Yeah.
I can have pet. Show me your profile picture. Okay.
And this.
Go here. This is his profile. Wow.
This is his
Now
profile
level 18.
picture. Yeah.
Want some food? No, it doesn't.
And this is
Good guy.
chicken. This is the
This
ad.
is my
Like
bag.
this.
Coke.
Chicken.
Wanna go?
This is and this
Maybe you put some look at this.
clover.
What's his name? I mean her name. That's her name. Her name is Cook. Good too. My good peanut puppy. Coco. Toto. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. I level up the word. Okay. Got nothing to wear now. The skill is not really good.
I'm gonna make a collab video about collab. That'd be so cool.
Wanna go here. New breeding rules. The amount of new pet skill slots are now determined by the amount of parent skill slots. Not only in the first slot. Only 3 pets which are not located in your pet slot or pet that have reached level 20 can be placed in the breeding room. Yeah. Okay.
So how did it be new? Oh, you forgot
Yeah.
about yourself.
Oh my god. Look at our new bird. It's called Ruby Topaz. Ruby Topaz. Ruby Topaz.
And this.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah.
okay. I do reply to him.
What?
Okay. No milk in the barn. Oh, hey. I think I got a pack. No. Oh, yes, I do. A one-star farm pack. Not the best. Like a morning view. Okay. I'm gonna go see what my little brother's farm doing. Okay. I'm almost there. Okay, I'm here, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Now that they know who you are, they're very happy
No.
learning the resistance.
It's
Okay.
You should definitely download Broadcast. Even our cousin downloaded Broadcast.
yeah.
Okay. Can't do anything. I can only fertilize
I
stuff. Don't fertilize food. Good job, you have
have
helped
a
5 anybody's farm. Now you can use your own fertilizer or one of them to help
Who's-
your body. It will have the same effect as on your own farm.
do this.
Is it like Mars? Is it like a...
But he got tomato. Super. You are now
So
out for the
Marvin,
friendliest
and he
for
does
my
not want
word.
to play.
Continue with the
Okay,
news or go
then
home.
like, and if you like that other guy, the other one,
Man, I can't help my neighbors my buddy anymore.
and then like,
Okay.
Thanks
Wow.
for your visit and
Okay, I'm going home.
not
Okay, I'm back. Now, here am my home. Okay. Let me grow some things real quick since I have so much room. So that's
This is
good.
gonna be the longest video. Only 13 minutes. No, 14 minutes. We've run the 13 goes into 14. The one was over, the one hits 15. And it goes over 15, which is 15. That means do not upload the video.
Oh, you watch the video to get reward. No.
have
Oh, let's go here. Okay,
Can I play?
video. Okay.
oh
I think it was good.
hello.
Like, you go here.
Who wants to go to the bathroom?